In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add supplier invoices quicker on Xero accounting software. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to turn a supplier invoice file into an approved bill in Xero, keeping everything tidy and ready for payment. Start on your Xero dashboard and look to the very top bar. Click your company name to open the organization menu. This menu is a handy shortcut to many tools you use frequently, and the one we want is Files. Click Files to open Xero's file library, which is designed to store receipts, invoices, and supporting documents so you can attach them to transactions without hunting through folders later. Inside Files, choose Upload to Files inbox. This is your central drop zone. Select the invoice file from your computer. PDFs and clear image files work best because they're easy to read on screen and reference later. If you have multiple pages, make sure they're combined into a single file so nothing is missed. Once the file appears in your inbox, Xero keeps it there until you attach it to a transaction, helping you keep a clean audit trail. Next, locate the uploaded invoice and click the three dots to open the action menu. From that menu, choose Bill. This tells Xero to create a bill from the document in just a few clicks, saving you from starting a blank form and uploading the file manually. You'll land on the bill editor with the document already attached. In the From field, select the supplier the invoice came from. Matching this to the correct supplier ensures accurate reporting and smooth payment runs. If the supplier's terms are already set up in your system, Xero can use them in the background. Enter the due date shown on the invoice. This is important for cash flow planning and for any automated reminders or payment scheduling you use. Make sure it matches the supplier's terms on the document to avoid late fees or premature payments. In the line items area, select the item that best represents what you're being billed for. Choosing the right item can automatically populate descriptions, unit prices, accounts, and the tax settings, which speeds up coding and improves consistency. Take a moment to confirm the quantity, price, tax rate, and total align with the invoice, and that the currency and date look correct. When everything looks good, click Approve. Your bill is now recorded with the original invoice securely attached, ready for reconciliation and payment processing. That's it. Quick, consistent, and audit friendly.